Good morning, Chris from Schoen Roofing. Today we are going to talk about gussets, which are the piece of flashing that we put in the corner where two walls meet. So this would be an inside corner gusset. We also do outside corner gussets where the wall goes the other way. This is a gusset. I believe it is French for plug your hole. We want it about 3" by 5". So 3" wide, roughly 5 inches tall. Good job, Layton. And what we're going to do, I'll get a video of me doing it, but what we're going to do is we're going to stick the gusset to the back of the trowel. We're going to heat it up. We're going to heat up this corner and kind of gently situate it in there. And what this does, where these two flashings come together, not at Schoen Roofing, but a lot of the times, there's a pinhole in that corner. So we do this on all torch down roofing, and this is the guy that plugs the hole, hence the name of the gusset. All right, let's get at it. Okay, I hope you can hear it's a little windy out. Fall is upon us, hence the hoodie. So what I like to do is heat up my trowel. There you go, now you're getting it. And then once that's heated, the gussets are usually curved one way. Okay, so see how it's curved one way? So I want the curved side to go in. I don't want to be fighting trying to fold it backwards. So with the curved side in, I'm just going to stick my trowel just so it melts and sticks a little bit. This saves you from having to use your hand like an idiot, you know, trying to do it that way. So many idiots in roofing, it's unbelievable. All right, so I got this stuck on here. I'm gonna heat this up to the point of melting. I'm gonna heat up the corner, and then you're gonna get in really close, okay? After I do that, I'm done with the torch. I'm gonna show you how we just press that in with our glove, and it's good forever. So we're gonna heat this up quite a bit. See, that's melty. Also melty. All right, nice and close. So the point, I'm gonna start about 2 inches out, hit it with my finger. Now I'm just going to give it the 2-finger squeeze, or 2-finger push. And we're going to work it into that corner. Don't worry that it's too tall, we can trim that off after. But all you do is keep pushing it in the corner. You'll feel when it's stuck, press around the edges. Press around the toe, which is the piece that sticks out. That's it. I'm going to wait till this cools, or what you can do is take your knife, slice it up, and we just fold those over. This is a very short parapet, so normally it doesn't go taller. You have to slice it. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.